Okay, how to rename a track in GarageBand. So we have 2 tracks here. By default, they give you this name here, but it might be useful if you have 2 guitar tracks. You want to name them something. So all you do is you double tap on the track that you want to change. And you can see that this pops up at the top. We're just going to do a rename. Okay, and now we're going to be able to rename our track. So let's call this what I have it set to, which is guitar. This is guitar 1. Okay, now if we want to name our second track, we're just going to double tap our second track, and here we got rename. And then let's change this to what this actually is, which is the solo track. I'm gonna hit OK. Alright, now you can see that it's changed the name to guitar 1 and then the solo track. And that's how you change the name on a guitar track or just a track in GarageBand.